Hello everyone, my name is Mark. I'm a full stack tech lead at Rapyd. I've been with the company for over 3 years. A few words about us. Rapyd is a fintech as a service cloud platform that provides B2B solutions for collecting and disbursing funds, e-wallets, virtual bank accounts, plugins for multiple e-commerce platforms, and so on. We support more than 900 payment methods and operate in 100 countries. So in my small session, I'll show you how easy it is from scratch to integrate our API into your product and to collect your first payment. So this session is more for developers. Okay, let's start with terminal. Let's create a folder. Sorry. Infobip Rapyd. Infobip. Let's get into this folder. Let's run npm init to initialize our package.json. Nice. Let's open the new created project. As you can see, it's an empty project, only with package.json file. So let's create the index.js file. Index.js. Now we open our documentation, docs.rapyd.net, and we are going to the section of calculation of signature. Just copy and paste the Node.js example. I'm taking this code, pasting it right here. So as you can see, you have to fill access key and secret key, and these values you have to get from a client portal. Client portal is our UI platform that the sign-up process is just a regular one. So I've already created here an account and just logged in. Here in Client Portal, you go to the developer section, and you see that sandbox is on because we are making a dummy transaction and not a real payment. So I'm taking the values from this page. I'm taking the secret key, pasting it here, and access key, paste it here. Now we need to install a crypto.js package, and also I'd like to install Axios or any other HTTP request library. Let's run npm I crypto.js Axios. Nice. We've installed these packages. Let's import Axios. Okay, we have a get signature function, and we have here headers and the request that is ready to be executed. So let's make a small function, execute Rapyd request, that just runs Axios on this request object. Also, we are logging the response. Execute Rapyd request, terminal, node index.js. Nice, we've received some response. It means that the connection is established. Now the only thing we have to do is to switch our data to be the data of the payment object. So we go back to our docs.rapyd.net, go to the section of create payment, and just taking the example of somebody for payment by card. I'm just copying it, pasting it here. You see it should be stringify JSON, so I'm running JSON stringify on this object. I'm taking the URL path, change it here, and switching the HTTP method to post. Now let's come back to our client portal and we'll copy the e-wallet ID, the e-wallet that we want that the money will go to. We go to client portal, go to wallets, accounts. Let's say create it here. Let's take, for example, this e-wallet that currently has $100. We copy it and paste it here. Now we have a payment object with an amount of 10 currency USD dollars that should come to this e-wallet. Let's run the code again. Node index.js. Okay, we've received the response. It looks like the payment was created. Let's refresh the page and we'll see that currently our balance is $110 and we see the transaction that I've created just now. So it's very easy. It's really easy to collect payments with Rapyd. Of course, you can go to our documentation and to go through all the objects here, and there is an explanation of every field. And in my example, I just used some basic one to make the basic payment. Thank you.
So my name is Julia, and I'm working at Rapyd as a team leader in the backend group. And today I would like to present to you how to install a Rapyd Payments plugin into a WooCommerce shop. This session is more relevant to those that has an e-commerce websites. So let's start. The first thing that you need to do is to sign up to the Rapyd platform. I already have an account, so I already signed in. I will go to the plugins tab. I'm just making sure that I'm toggled the sandbox mode because I want to create dummy transactions and not the real ones. Then this is the multiply plugins that we have. I will choose the WooCommerce one. I will activate the plugin. Once I'm activated the plugin, it's generated an access and secret key for us. Here I have a WooCommerce store that I created before the session. It's a simple WooCommerce store without additional things. It's a simple shop with a t-shirt of Rapyd logo. I will go to the plugins tab and I will install the Rapyd Payments plugin. Once I'm activated the plugin, I can set the access and the secret key that I generated before at the Rapyd platform. I will copy them. I'm putting them here because I would like to use the test mode and not to create the real transactions. Also, I will check here the checkbox. And now I will try to buy something from my store as a client. I will add the t-shirt to my cart. And here, as you can see, we have a multiply payment methods. I can pay with that for this T-shirt with card, cash, e-wallet, or bank. Here I already filled my details, my personal details. I will stay with the card and place the order. I will use a dummy credit card because it's not a real transaction. You can choose the currency with which currency you would like to pay, if it's ILS or USD. And I got a successful message. And now I'm, as a merchant, as the owner of the store, I can see my order here, my new order. That created 53 seconds ago. And also I can see that transaction at the Rapyd platform. Under payments. And this is the transaction that I created before. So if you are searching for a solution for your e-commerce store, you can use our plugins. So we have multiple plugins. And thank you, everyone, for joining us. And if you have any questions, just let us know.